So today we come to see the new Diagprog version 5. So this new interface will replace the Diagprog 4 and they plan hopefully this year to start replacing it. So we will know in the coming weeks or in the coming months maybe how it will be possible to purchase this new tool or upgrade from the version 4 to the version 5. This is the design. So the design is already finalized. Now the problem is only making the software and producing it and everything. So we talked with them about what's new in this Diagprog 5, and they told us that the main point is there will be new improvement in the protocol side to support more protocols, which allows more data to be gathered, which allows more solution to be developed. So in short term, there will be J2534 added to the hardware, and there will be new communication protocols. So here there is all the list of the communication protocols. And this is the operation modes. As you see, there is the pass-through interface. So with this new hardware upgrade, of course, there will be new functions that can come out with this new hardware. So stay tuned to find out how to make this upgrade possible if you already have Diagprog 4, or to know what's going to be in the Diagprog 5 if you want to buy the Diagprog 4 in this moment. Maybe it's better to wait a little bit more. So they are so kind and let us check the new hardware. So let's all unbox it. So this is the new interface. And under the interface we have the new tablet, which is this one. Looks very nice. Then we have the cables over here. Just the standard cables, power supply, USB and everything.